see on an elephant. My hair is flat because I wore a hat. Tim here. Polish for full attention to detail. The gum on the bottom of the shoe that you just can't get rid of. And look at this GMC Sierra. 2019, you wouldn't think nothing's wrong with it. As you see, what? Not nothing's wrong, but you wouldn't think anything is wrong with it. I mean, we unveiled the ugliness that was hiding once you... What did James get? Besides an awesome, badass truck, Ceramic Pro Gold. Ceramic Pro Gold. Everybody's getting gold. Reason why is because the system works. It's been proven.
Year after year after year.
It works, guys. But yeah, Ceramic Pro Gold, 4 layers of 9H, 1 layer of top coat.
I gotta stop saying light. I like saying light. Whee!
Don't take the clear coat off, and guess what? Coat is gonna perform year after year. Come for your annual inspection. Yes, it will work year after year. Don't spray Ceramic Pro Sport. It will work year after year. Make sure you put a new layer of light on year after year after year.
Don't know what to tell you.